The next step is actually installing the motherboard in the case, and we have this motherboard which has all of these outputs on it. You'll see AC97 or HD audio jacks here. Here's an optical digital out. Here's FireWire, 2 USB 3.0s, got 2, 4, 6 USB 2.0s, an eSATA connector, and of course an RJ45 for your Ethernet connection. Now, this is going to fit into the case because the case said it takes a micro ATX, and that's a micro ATX, but you have to install this RF shield. And note how it's constructed, that you have these little tangs that have to sit down on the top of those guys. And then you have these other little tangs that will contact the metal on the back of the connectors without obscuring the connectors. Make sure you've got your orientation right, and it's supposed to snap in to the back of the computer, so let's test that. Are we snapping? Not exactly. Yeah. Okay, that's snappy-ish. We'll work on that in a minute. In order to get this motherboard to fit in this case, I had to put in a couple of standoffs. The case kit came with a couple of little standoffs to match the screw holes. So we're going to put this guy in. We're going to probably bring it in like this, kind of at an angle, and then set it down so that these tangs, we can get these under these little tangs. Then we're going to put in the screws, then we're going to connect all the cables. And I'll spare you the cables.